No more wasting hours editing out those ugly backgrounds or even trying to fix a background and make it look all picture perfect. Now you can use Canva in seconds and completely remove the background, not only in your photos, but also in your videos. So I'm gonna show you how to do this in less than 5 minutes. I already went ahead and uploaded my video that I'm gonna use, but as you can see, I have these adorable templates that I've pulled up here today, and that's exactly what I'm gonna show you how to do. So you see how I'm in here and the background's gone? Let's go ahead and create that. So we're gonna click our create button here. We're gonna go to videos, and I'm gonna choose landscape because I'm doing a YouTube thumbnail. And this is also the AI video, which is incredible, but I'll put that in another video. So right here, I've just got an empty screen and I've already airdropped my video, and now I'm just gonna drag it and drop it into my Canva page. As you can see, that is going to upload. So that is my video for now. That's what it looks like. And now this is uploading here. Once we click on this, you will see this background removal editing tool here. You do need the Pro access. Canva Pro is only $13 a month and absolutely worth it. And just like magic, in seconds, we have our beautiful video without a background. So let's see what that looks like. Great. So I actually like this beautiful floral background here, and I really like to do pink flowers as my background. So I'm gonna look for something really pretty in pink. Ooh, I like that. So I'm going to put this in the background, and now this is what my video looks like. And of course, you can come in here and do the text. Now I'm going to go over here to effects. I'm going to use the neon to do like this. I'm going to use my pink, and bada bing, bada boom. Last but not least, we are going to come and get our lovely Canva graphic logo here. Now I can do something like this, and I'm gonna go to my effects. Now my video looks something like this. So just like that, you can do background remover, not just on pictures, but also in videos straight from Canva. And from Canva, you can directly post to your socials. I hope you've enjoyed this Canva hack today. If you want some support or help and you just feel like you're struggling with a design that you cannot seem to finish, I host Canva Power Hours, where you and I can hop on a Zoom call, talk face to face. You could show me your designs, and within one focused hour, I will help you get your designs, if not many, completed. If you're interested in something like that, just go ahead and click my links in the description below to work with me. Once again, thank you so much for watching The Crystal Freak Show. I'm Mermaid Emsley. If you like this kind of video, please subscribe so you can stay tuned for the next Canva hack.